Alright, tech fam, buckle up, because Samsung's foldable game is about to get real interesting. We're inching closer to the launch of Samsung's 2025 foldable lineup, and let's just say, there's a lot more going on than just your usual Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip refresh. According to fresh reports out of South Korea, Samsung is gearing up to start mass production of its next-gen foldables as early as next month. That includes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. No surprise there. But the real plot twist, we might be getting a brand new Galaxy Z Flip FE. Yep, a more budget-friendly fan edition of the Flip. Oh, and that's not all. Word on the street is Samsung's also cooking up a tri-fold device behind the scenes. No official launch date on that one yet, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Samsung Display has already kicked off production of the foldable OLED panels for the new models. They handle the front-end manufacturing in South Korea and ship the panels to Vietnam for back-end processing. From there, it's all headed to Samsung's assembly lines, ready for mass production. So yeah, July's shaping up to be a big month for foldables, just like previous years. But wait, there's a spicy chip twist coming your way. Historically, Samsung's top-tier foldables have always rocked Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips, especially the Flip series. But things might be switching up, big time. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE might ditch Snapdragon completely and go with an Exynos 2500E chip, a toned-down version of Samsung's upcoming in-house flagship processor. Think better thermal management and stability, not necessarily beast-level performance. That said, it's still a pretty bold move, especially since the full-power Exynos 2500 hasn't exactly wowed in early benchmarks. So launching a weaker version first, definitely a gamble. To make things even more confusing and exciting, some sources say the standard Z Flip 7 could still stick with Snapdragon. Others think both could get Exynos. It's a bit of a chip soap opera at this point. Samsung clearly has big plans. They're reportedly producing 240,000 units of the Galaxy Z Flip 7, 170,000 units of the new Z Flip FE, and 160,000 units of the Fold 7, all in Q2 2025 alone. That's a serious commitment, especially to the Flip lineup, which continues to be the fan favorite thanks to its compact style and more affordable price for a foldable anyway. If Samsung really launches an Exynos-powered Z Flip 7 FE, it could be a smart way to keep prices down and give fans more choice. But it also opens up questions about performance, reliability, and whether buyers will be cool with a potentially less powerful chip inside their fancy new foldable. So, what do you think? Is Samsung making a smart play by betting big on Exynos and expanding the Flip lineup with a fan edition? Or should they stick to what's worked and keep Qualcomm in the driver's seat? Drop your thoughts, let's geek out together, and as always, stay techy.